Hey, this is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Yamaha SX195. It's a fresh trade-in. It's the slate blue, black accent, white deck top. This one does have the 1.8 liter supercharged motor. It's only got 46.7 hours, I believe. C-deck on the back. Climb aboard, take a look. Very clean boat. Got your standard, wraparound seating in the back. Co-captain's chair. Captain's chair. Got the 4-inch screen up there. Phone holder, Clarion stereo system, 4 speakers. Up front, you've got it's got a removable bow cushion. And of course, great co-captain and captain side lounges on the port and starboard. In-floor storage. Got a center walk-through removable cushion, so you don't have to step on your cushions getting in and out of the boat. Full cover bimini. And this particular boat does have the Yamaha factory cover. That's an option for the boat. It's good sunbrella material. Again, this is a 2019 Yamaha SX195 with 46 hours. Located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005, or visit us on the web at www.marinemax.com. Have a great day.